at the end of that sprint, how does that PO determine whether or not they're ready for promotion to testing? Well, they go back in the showcase, in the demo at the end of the sprint saying, okay, how do we do in this user story? Did we nail it? Can you show me this? Yep. Great. We can promote that over to testing to really thoroughly flush things out.
I love that. That's a fantastic point. When the development is done and you want to validate, is this work complete? Product owner should be asking for each acceptance criteria one by one.
Mhm.
Is this statement complete? Show me. Yes, great. Move on to the next one. Is this statement complete? Show me. And move on to the next one. And that is the way you validate, has it been completed?
Mhm.
Super effective.
Super effective and important in the fact that it gives you that quantitative and qualitative assessment that you have met the needs of that user story and ultimately the epic.